Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the bold glamour filter on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So you're scrolling through TikTok, however, you cannot find this effect on TikTok, and you want to use it. The good news is now you can find a similar filter on Instagram. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here to post a story. From your filter library you want to swipe left. Tap on search or browse. Now here you want to go ahead and search for bold glamour. And now in the search results, you have a choice of two filters here. You can either use Glamour or Bold Glamour. So go ahead and test them out. I'll test the first one out. And there you go. As you can see, my face has changed. And now using these filters, you'll be able to mimic the same TikTok effect. And there you go, that is how to get the bold glamour filter on Instagram. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.